Like in Puranas, there comes one story. There was one disciple, he was a Vaishnava, and there were people who were against his bhakti. And he was taken to the mountain top, and they were about to throw him. And then as they threw him from the mountain top, he said, if the words of scriptures are all true, then nothing may happen to me. And as he fell from the mountain top, he fell to the ground and nothing happened to him. But there was one scratch. He received one scratch. Okay, all right, but although I am saved. So he went to his guru. He said, Gurudev, now when so these atheistic people, when they threw me from the mountain cliff, from the mountain top, and I said, if the words of the scriptures are all true, nothing may happen to me. So yes, of course I am all safe, but I received one scratch. Why is that so? And then Guru said, because you said if, because of that if the words of scriptures are all true, nothing may happen to me. If, because you said if, so you got a scratch. So that if in itself was a small question mark. You should have said the words of scriptures are all true and that's why nothing will happen. Then you would not have even received a scratch, but you received it because of that if. So having faith in scriptures is so